Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So today we have another juice day. We are going to be juicing, or I'm going to be showing you how I made this yummy juice or yummy drink. It's so delicious, so refreshing, and also very healthy, and has a lot of nutrients in it. So for this juice I'll be using coconut, pineapple. I'll also be adding watermelon. So I learned that if you a kind of burn or roasting, burn the coconut a bit on the fire, that it makes it easier to be broken. So it's not going to take time. So I'm trying that out. Let's see whether it's gonna be easy to break the coconuts.
Squeeze the sun in every drop, pour the love right to the top. Fruits that whisper tales so sweet, in every sip the world feels complete. From garden hands to
So I
crystal.
tried it, and truly it was very easy to break. Though maybe I did not do it very well. All of them did not come out at once. I had to use my small pestle to help it. But truly, this helped. Ordinarily, I cannot break the coconut with the pestle on my hand like that. I have to hit it on the ground first. But this one made it easier. So I think I'll be trying this method. I'll be using this method henceforth. And also, it gave the coconut a good taste. It has that a little bit of toast taste.
Glass moments linger, time won't pass. The taste of home.
So when I got to the difficult part, I had to use knife to remove the rest.
The soul's delight, golden mornings, endless light.
And then here we have our coconut. Please, I'm not going to be using all this coconut. I'm going to be sharing it into three. I'll use 1/3 part of this coconut for the juice. Next, I'll go ahead, peel and cut the pineapples.
Juice of life, so pure, so true. Every color, every hue. Treasure found in every blend. Homemade dreams that never end. The clink of ice, the dance of zest. Nature's bounty at its best. Sip the calm, let worries fade. In this moment, joy is made. No machine can match this care. Love is measured every.
And here I have my watermelon. This has been in the fridge for some days now, so we're going to be adding it to the juice.
Each fruit chosen, every peel. This is life and this is real. Juice of life, so pure, so true. Every color, every hue. Treasure found in every blend. Homemade dreams that never end. The clink of ice, the dance of zest. Nature's bounty at its best. Sip the calm, let worries fade. In this moment, joy is made.
So our watermelon, coconut, and pineapple is ready. I'll be adding this tiny bit of ginger for tiny spice.
Nature's bounty at its
Start blending.
best. Sip the calm, let
Start by blending the coconut and ginger. So we're going to be extracting the coconut milk first. extract the coconut milk first. You can also add everything together and blend at once, but I want to use this method of extracting the coconut milk first. Then I'll then go ahead and blend the watermelon and the pineapple and juice it together into the coconut milk. So I'm also giving you a bonus of how to make coconut milk in case you have not seen that before. But I have a lot of coconut milk videos in my channel. I also have in my channel the one called Pina Colada, that is pineapple and coconut drink. I have videos on that too. I think I'll leave the links in my description box below. In case you don't want to add watermelon to yours, you can just do Pina Colada. I hope I got it. Yeah, you can just do pina colada or pineapple and a coconut drink. That is very delicious too. Very, very delicious. So now we have our coconut milk here. You can remove some if you want. In fact, I actually removed a cup or half cup of it that I'll be using later for cooking. Then I'll go ahead and blend the pineapple and the watermelon and juice that also. This is very simple to make. Just blend everything, juice it, and you have your coconut, watermelon, and the pineapple juice or drink.
In this moment, joy is made. No machine can match this care. Love is measured, every's best. Sip the calm, let worries fade. In this moment, joy is made. Squeeze the sun in every drop. Pour the love right to the top. Fruits that whisper tales so sweet. With every sip the world feels complete. From garden hands to crystal glass, moments linger, time won't pass. The taste of home, the soul's delight. Golden mornings, endless light.
And here I'm done sieving out or juicing the coconut, the watermelon, and the pineapple. Just stir and mix everything together. And here we have it. If you want to still have some fiber in it, you can leave it like this, but if not, you can sieve it again. You can also use your nutmeg bag or your chiffon bag and sieve it at once. And that was what I did. I sifted it or sieved it again with my nut milk bag or chiffon cloth. And here we have it. We have our coconut, watermelon, and a pineapple drink. This drink was so delicious. And it is best served chilled. So you can either store this in your refrigerator. If you're going to leave it for more than 2 days, please put it in your freezer and enjoy anytime you want to. So I served myself some with some ice cubes, and the taste was so refreshing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give this a try and let me know how your own turned out. And please click the like button now. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.
Juice of life, so pure, so true. Every color, every hue. Treasure found in every blend. Homemade dreams that